try something. I want to try to make a PowerPoint presentation on a topic I don't know much about and within a very short while. Let's try using some generative AI prompt and see what we can. So we are making this presentation. We're going to use ChatGPT. Let me open my ChatGPT. We are going to give ChatGPT some prompt and see what we can get. So let's say even the topic we don't have idea, we just have a statement to develop a PPT about. So let's use this prompt. After pasting this prompt, we use Shift Enter, then we enter our actual idea. So it's a trending technologies used in education. So these are the technologies that it brought, one up to five. So we're going to give it another prompt. We're going to tell it to write an essay for us. It's going to write an essay. Every topic it suggests, it gives essay question. So let's say we are taking the first one, virtual reality in education. So we are taking this question. You press Shift Enter, then you paste. Is it good idea to integrate virtual reality into university classroom to enhance learning experiences? So let's see what it will give us. The essay it's going to give us. Wow, ChatGPT is doing wonders. Generating a whole 800 words essay as specified, and it is actually creating in different paragraphs and then not including subheadings as specified. You can see the whole of this is our AC. So what next we're going to do now, we want to make it a PowerPoint. So a whole AC will be too much. So let's make it to give us a shortened version and let it be slide by slide. So this prompt should serve. So you say according to this my AC. So let's copy the AC. So again Shift Enter, then paste the whole AC. So let's see what it is going to do. Yeah, you can see slide one, slide two, slide three. Yeah, so these are the slides we are having. If you feel that it is still too lengthy, you can say more succinctly. It's another prompt. So next, because you know for slides, PowerPoint slides, the you just need to give some bullet points and maybe some images. Then most of the things you explain. So this is what we have. So now let's come here. Let's create text document. We want to use outline. So that we learn another thing. So let's call it outline. So we'll learn how to bring text, or let me say how we can bring our outline to Microsoft PowerPoint. So we arrange it this way. This is slide one, introduction. So we indent what the other things that are under introduction. I think we can even remove this key question. Whatsoever you don't need, you remove it. So slide two is the title of it. So you indent the remaining things. just by pressing Tab key once. So we are done. So we just save it. So we come to our Microsoft PowerPoint and we come to new slide. So we come to slide from outline. So we have our outline. So here we are. Oh, sorry, it went into an existing work. Okay, in that case, if we want, we can just change this one. We can. I think our topic from here is virtual reality in education. So we can just put it as the topic, as the title. So we can take this and use as our main for our cover page. So now we can now save this. So this is the introduction. If you want, you do other formatting. So we are going back to ChatGPT. So now let's tell ChatGPT to suggest image search text because we need image in our PPT. So these days we have generative AI that generate images, but you have to give it the right text to generate the image you want. So suggest image search for each slide. So let's see. Wow. Wow, just the first slide. Look at a lot of them. So which one are we going to use? Education technology transformation. For example, let's come to Bing image creator. So let's try this. If it is not okay, then we try the other one. So we click create. So it's creating. While creating, we can go back to ChatGPT to pick the other one so that we can compare. Maybe we can, if you want, you use three images. Yeah, so this is it. So let's download this, but let's quickly check the other one. Oh, I think this is better. Wow, this is better. So I download it. Also download this. So you can do same for the other slides, but maybe let me go to these images and just use them. Our first slide, the image for our first slide. So just paste it and you will get some ideas of how to arrange it from your PowerPoint. Yes, here are the ideas. So, so if you want, maybe let's try to put the two images. So you can also put two images. You can put only one. uh, so it's giving ideas. So I think I like this. Yes. So maybe you can do some other formatting to make like maybe this text bigger or something. And save. And then you do same for all the other images. You can even adjust this image here. So you can do same for the other slide. Go and search for the using the image text that is suggested for you, and then you put in each of the slides.